Alright, this is my dirty car. As you see, dirty. Lots of stuff, lots of trash, an ashtray. Stuff, lots of stuff. That's okay, you think I'm bad? Where do we get to the back seat? This is where Benrick Batboy sits. Look at that. And his floorboard. And I don't know where all this stuff comes from. But as you see, my car is dirty. And even in the back. Yes, even in the back. And that's Batboy's bicycle, amongst the rest of the stuff back here. So I do have a dirty car.